It's fascinating watching these seagulls feed. So this is the cenote freshwater aquifer flowing out from the Yucatan. So these birds all gather here to drink the fresh water, and then the ocean is obviously right next door. This aquifer, the cenote flow has changed dramatically since we've been here. It just is unbelievable how it's rerouted itself. So it used to come out way up there by the blue umbrella, or even further up than that. Now, check this out, all the way here. Now, we also have tons of locals here. We also have these birds feeding on certain chunks of seaweed that comes down through. Uh-oh, we might have somebody throwing chips up, because they also feed on the chips. But the local diet, though, if you can look right there, obviously the water's crystal clear, you'll see little green seaweed that comes right out of the mouth of the cenote. Okay, there's one floating right on the top. See it? Let's go down and get it. I'm surprised a seagull didn't come and get it. That's it right there. So they'll come, there's another one. They'll come right down and feed on that particular thing. Maybe here one comes. They come and drink the water. They've probably been doing that for thousands of years. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful to watch. So our tableside seat right here is just perfectly situated. It's not the Galapagos, but it's pretty stinking nice. Have a great day.